Hey friends, welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and more. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. Today's video is hashtag crockpot casserole, and you're going, Kimmy, what are you doing in your craft room? You can't cook in your craft room. I wanted to go ahead and do this intro, and then I'll take you into the kitchen and show you what I'm making for dinner. It is called a sour cream enchiladas. And I'll show you all the ingredients and me cooking it, and then putting it in the casserole dish because it's for crockpot casserole. Open collaboration that Lois and I host here on YouTube. And yeah, so I'll put it in a casserole dish and get it in the oven and show you guys what it looks like, and show you what we had for a side with it. And so just stay with me. Okay friends, so you're just going to take some skinless, boneless chicken breast and fry them up with a little bit of EVOO in the pan. I've got this chicken seasoned with some cilantro lime seasoning. And then in your mixing bowl, you're going to mix a 10.5 ounce of cream of chicken soup. You're going to also put in there the green chile enchilada sauce that's going to be mixed in with it. And this is a 16 ounce, but you are going to mix in 8 ounce. So all three of these, half of this, all of this is going to get mixed in your bowl. You're going to take your casserole dish and spray it with your little EVOO or cooking spray, whatever you've got. Okay, and once you have that all mixed up, you're going to turn your oven on to 350 degrees. You're going to put just a layering of this that you mixed up, these three items, and you're going to just coat it at the bottom of your casserole dish, and then you're going to save the rest for the remainder of the meal. Next, when this chicken is completely done, and I do have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, once this chicken is completely finished, I'm going to put it on a chopping block and just sort of shred it. And if you have rotisserie chicken, that would be just fine as well. Either one will do. And then I'm going to take the chicken and mix it in a bowl with the diced green chilies. And next, I'm just going to shred up some mozzarella cheese and some Monterey Jack cheese. You can certainly use the already shredded, or if you like a pepper jack, a spicier cheese, you can certainly use that. I'm just using what we have. So stay with me. Okay, now that the cheese is shredded, you're going to start making your enchiladas. You're going to put some of the mozzarella cheese inside of one of your tortillas, and then you're going to put the chicken and the chiles in next. And once they are all wrapped and rolled, you're going to put your remaining sauce over top, bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then pull it out and put some more mozzarella cheese on top, throw it back in the oven, and just get a little brown on top, and then they'll be all done. So stay with me. Okay friends, so this is how the sour cream enchiladas turned out. I think they look scrumptious. I'm super excited to try it. And then we've just got some Mexican rice to go with it. Oh yes, and we've got some salsa, Newman's Own salsa, medium saucy salsa, chunky, and we're gonna have some chips with it. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. And until next time, bye y'all.